2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, air conditioning, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, Bluetooth, compass, fog lamps, passenger airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.